I'm Taylor Edmonds and I'm the Poet in Residence for the Future Generations Commissioner for Wales. This poem is called My Magnolia Tree. All I have left of my great-grandmother is her letters. While I was taking my first breath, she was watching the storm roll in, lining the house with an army of sandbags, willing the river to shush. It had given warning in the bloat of it. With plastic bags and Stella cans thrown up onto the grass, I know this because my grandmother never had secrets. She began writing me letters long before I existed so that I might grow into something good, something brave. I know all of her firsts. First school with the haunted bell tower and the boys that cornered her in the school playground. First pet, a tan Labrador that uprooted the floor tiles when left alone. First fear of being swallowed by the moon. First home, council estate. Magnolia tree that shed petals of pink snow in spring. First kiss at the water's edge. Incoming tide snaking up her legs, there are lessons here. I dream of Cardiff, where I chase my grandmother's outline through the back streets, seek fingerprints in shop windows, a flash of her on the top deck of a bus. Sometimes I find her on the green of Butte Park picking wild garlic, sheltering from a shower at Central Station or clasping a blue bag of fruit on City Road. She tells me nothing was an accident. The leaders, the people, they rolled over like spent dogs, yawned above the warnings. All my great-grandmother wanted was to die an honest woman on honest land. I will never relive her first. Never see the garden where she planted magnolia so that I too could hold pink petals of snow. Her underwater city is a skeleton, a shipwreck, but still I ache for it. I read her letters to the sky while the storm rolls in. I line the house with an army of sandbags.